Maganda dito, te. Maganda siya. So we can go to the other side, ate. Okay, can we go doon? Hold on a day. I want to read. 내가 가수랑 있었네. 왜 이랬었는데 무슨? From this, that to this. Canary Wharf, ate, is ano siya, it's an ancient, no. Yeah, it's a business area now, but before it was an ancient landscape, so para siyang olden.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, it is. Because of one of my friends and employed by employees as well. You know, just regret because
It's cheaper here before.
before.
Oh, that's what she said.
Yeah, that's why.
Oh, I can.
She knows before.
Mm-hmm.
She had money, but
I-
she doesn't have to be here because it's not the same as now.
Yeah, this is para siyang naging financial area. Ano?
Yeah.
Another one. Oh. So this is Dockland, guys. This is like a port anong tawag nito, te? Yung port na, yung parang sa business port ba? Anong tawag noon? Kung saan yung mga tinda. Anong tawag noon? Oh, this is a famous footballer. Yan yung mga ano guys, mga dock workers. nag-upload sila og kanang naka-preserve na mga meat galing sa ship. Sailors, the dockboat sailors in London from all over the world. Awesome. Yan guys, yan na picture na yan, yan na yan. So becomes ano na siya, parang oasis. Ano te? Oh, nililinisan. Did you see that guys? Kanang taro siya. You can see the water. Ang mga lumot-lumot pa. For 4,000 years ago, guys. Would you believe that? So, 4,000 years ago. Really awesome. Ayun na. You know, ate, nakapunta din ako doon sa... yung sinabi ko sa yung puntahan ko.
Pupunta ka dito.
Yung ano, yung... From here is the next stop, ate? Ano tawag noon?
Canada Water?
Yeah, Canada Water.
Did you
Pumunta ako
do
doon. Yes, I did. Tapos, akala ko, sobrang ganda kasi online, sobrang ganda. It's ano daw, parang, it's a must talaga ba?
Tingnan mo yung station.
Yes. Pumunta lang tayo ng harap. Yung pinuntahan naman natin the last time, doon naman yon. Yes.
Yung Taro Station.
Yeah.
Hindi ka talaga nakapunta. Akala ko ano lang.
Hindi mo alam?
Hindi ako explorer.
Oh, I am.
Hindi, okay talaga yun.
I am Dora the Explorer.
Okay talaga yung ano, kasi pag na-use ka na doon sa lugar, wala na problema. Kasi
Guards. last Saturday, meron akong nag-ano ako ate, nag-video ako the whole thingy. Tapos, meron nakatayo dyan na ano, na security. Sabi pa naman niya. Tapos pinopos ko siya ng konti. Oo. Tapos sabi ko naman, awesome, sabi niya. Bye for now, guys. Thank you.